Welcome to e-learning platform of Kadi Sarva Vishwavidyalaya. This is a presentation on subject banking and insurance. The subject code is MCOM MC303, unit number 6, riders, and topic number 3. In topic number 3, we are going to just talk about what are the different kinds of life insurance. Namely, I have mentioned 5 out of many are critical illness rider, disability rider, accidental death benefit rider, term rider, weaver of premium rider, and there are many more too. Let us discuss one by one. The critical illness rider. The policyholder is entitled to receive financial benefits on being diagnosed with the critical illness. The arrangement holder is qualified for get monetary advantage on being determining to have a basic sickness. These basic sickness can be like cancer, stroke, heart attack, kidney failure, etc. things. So on all such kind of diseases, we can get the benefit with the help of rider. Now, the second one is disability rider. The policyholder receives benefit on being afflicted with an disability covered by the rider. That means the policyholder gets benefit on being harrowed with an inability secured by the riders. The third is accidental death benefit rider. The policyholder receives benefits on an accident leading to death. Second, this is a rider benefit payable if the life insured dies during the rider benefit term from a cause which is accidental. In such an event, the accidental death sum assured is payable in addition to the basic sum assured. The example you can read from the slide and you will understand more better. The third is term rider. This offers monthly income to nominee on death of life insured. Another is weaver of premium rider. This rider talks about or says the policyholder is not required to pay further premium on the policy in the event of an accident or mashup as defined by the rider. Normally, term insurance would lapse when one stops paying premium. The weaver benefit means that if the policyholder becomes disabled or injured for a sustained period, or in case the policyholder dies while the life insured under the policy is alive, all the future premium payments due under the policy after the date of such an incident will be waived. That is, not required to be paid. Even so, the benefits under the policy shall continue to be available to the life insured. This rider also extends to permanent and partial disability. Next comes the guaranteed insurability rider. Guaranteed insurability rider. This rider allows you to purchase additional insurance coverage in the stated period without the need for further medical examination. A guaranteed insurability rider is most beneficial when there has been a significant change in your life circumstances, such as the birth of your child, marriage, or an increase in your income. So many more things are there which you can see on the screen. Next is family income benefit rider. In case the insured dies, a family income benefit rider will provide a steady flow of income to family members. When buying this rider, you need to determine the number of years your family is going to receive the benefit. The merit of having this rider is obvious in case of death. The surviving family will face fewer financial difficulty thanks to the regular monthly income for the riders. Okay. Now, next comes the child term rider. The rider provides a death benefit in case a child dies before a specified age. After the child reaches maturity, the term plan can be converted into permanent insurance with coverage up to 5 times the original amount without the need for medical exams. Finally, the long-term care rider. In the event the insured has to stay at a nursing home or receives home care, this rider offers monthly payments, although long-term care insurance can be bought individually. Insurance companies also offer riders that take care of your long-term care cost. Then comes the return of premium rider. Under this rider, you pay a marginal premium, and at the end of the term, your premiums are returned to you in full. In the event of death, your beneficiaries will receive the paid premium amount. Insurers sell returns of premium riders with many variations, so make sure you understand the phrases of the rider before you buy. To conclude with this session, it is important for you to know what riders you insured offer along with your policy, so you can take advantage of the affordable add-on benefits. Thank you for today's session, and these are the 2 links through which I have collected the information. You can also go through with this. Thank you for the session, and next session we will meet.